What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I have been in plenty stores, you guys, and I keep seeing this toy. All right, now, as y'all know, on my channel, I'm just not a hardcore tool reviewer, but we also reviewed toys on the channel before, and if it's something trendy or something interesting, then I will put it on the channel. If it's something like a regular toy, you guys, of course it's not coming on the channel. But if we do have something interesting and I see that my viewers may be able to use this with their children or something like that, and you know, just like the drones and you know, stuff that I get. Anyways, let's go ahead. And also I went to the Home Depot Black Friday. They do have the drone that we reviewed last year, same drone, so I'm not obviously going to get two of the same drones, but they said this is a hover ball. Now I am interested to see how this works. If you are into like fidgets, or if your kid needs a fidget, if they all antsy and all that, you know, you remember the little fidget spinners? Yeah, when they first came out, that was like innovative, and then it got oversaturated to where everybody wanted one. Now they have a hover ball, and it actually has a fan on the inside. Wait, okay, don't roll down. All right, this actually comes with a lot of stuff. All right, all this paperwork. Basically probably telling you don't have it around young kids, blase, use it respectfully. All the stuff they have to say. Let's see, this is a lot of stuff. What is all this? Need to pay product. So they have a wand. I guess you could put this on a wand if you want to. All right, you guys, y'all know me. I'll look at the instructions in a little bit. I just want to go ahead and see what this thing is about. I have this little magnetic right here. They say this is a hat. So they call it a boomerang ball. It says hover ball on it. So if it boomerangs, does it come back to you? I'm not sure. So they have, okay, so this is the up. It says up right here. So this must be the bottom right here. They have an on and off switch, in which it's hard to reach. It's like in there. Okay, so it's a button. So all you have to do is just press the button. Okay, I thought it was like a switch. All right, so the light come on. The fan didn't come on. I'm holding the button now. All right. So nothing came on yet. Operation. After pressing the start switch of the product with your fingers, the LED lights of the boomerang ball start to flash in different colors. Use your wrist to swing the boomerang ball and it will start to rotate. Again, the boomerang ball will stop working. This is weird, you guys. Magic levitating. Grabs the working boomerang ball with your hand, release it horizontally and vertically, replace the palm. You guys, this is a lot. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on. It said place it on your hand, right? Oh, that's the bottom. Okay. Okay. This is crazy. All right. So how do you turn this thing off? Oh, this is awesome. This is insane, you guys. Look at this. This is fun. Oops. You guys, I am ready to show my kids this. This is insane. I am going to give all of the kids, everyone. I'm buying one for all of my nephews, all of my nieces, my kids, my friends' kids. Oh, don't shake it. How you turn it off? All right, so you got to shake it hard to turn it off. This is fun. I'm buying myself one, you guys. This is fun. Oh, did I mess up? Oh, it's not coming back on. All right, the battery might be dead, you guys. This is fun. I like this. It's not coming back on, so. Oh. All right. So for it to come on, this has to be on the up mode. All right. So you see up, it has to stay up. As a matter of fact, I am going to go ahead and put the cap on. All you do is slide on it and twist, and that's it. Twist this side and it locks. You guys, I'm ready to play with this with my kids. If I don't show you their reactions, then if I don't get to putting that into this review, like, comment, share, subscribe. Links will be in the description. I am definitely getting more of these, maybe even different ones. This is innovative, you guys. I actually see why this is trending right now. As far as I saw this at Home Depot. I saw this at Home Depot, but I was like, man, forget it. And then I don't know how my phone works, but I seen it says suggested stuff, and this was on Amazon. It's like suggested, so maybe they heard me talking. I don't know. I don't know how the algorithm works, but it must know that it wanted me to review this, and this is awesome. All right, you guys, I am ready to go upstairs with the kids and let them try this thing out. This is going to be fun.